So now you got your set flip 5. Now you're going to ask yourself, what am I supposed to do with this? What am I supposed to do the first thing if I get this phone? Now I'm going to teach you what you should do. There's 2 main things you should do before you start anything. And one of the main thing is you need to put your SIM card in, because Samsung want to put the carrier into your phone. So they're going to reset the phone. So make sure that you put your SIM card inside before setting up the phone. And then once you finish setting up the phone, make sure you go all the way into the home page first before you transfer anything. But before you transfer anything, make sure that you start logging in or register a Samsung account. A lot of people do not know how to register a Samsung account. Okay, make sure you register a Samsung account and quickly go to the Galaxy store. Now you want to do is you want to go into the Galaxy store and download Good Lock. Good Lock is basically an app that can customize your whole entire phone. Okay, doesn't matter if you have a tablet or a Samsung Note 10 or Note 20 Ultra. It doesn't matter because it will customize everything for you. It's really cool and it's free. Okay, now let's just say you finish downloading the Good Lock. You go inside and look for multi-star. When you go to the multi-star, there's so many different options. The main thing is you want to go to I Love Galaxy Foldable. Okay, go to that section and now you see all these options. We go for the launcher widget. Okay, right here you can put any apps you want into here to navigate in your cover screen. So let's just say if you don't want to open your foldable phone or flip phone, then you can actually navigate on the front screen. So anything that is in here, you can actually navigate on the front screen. So I put YouTube, I can put Google, I can put anything I want. Now at the top right here, there's this thing called Enable Launcher Widget, which means that you need to turn this on before it will go into your cover screen. So make sure the launcher is ticked. Okay, and then anything in here, if you want to be on the cover screen, make sure you highlight that as well too. Okay, so let's just say everything is done. Now you close your phone. Once you close your phone, you actually can see your widget is actually at the front page. But now let's just say if you want this to be the front page, the first page, you can just hold it as in this is a home page and just drag it back to the first page, and that's it. Now you can watch anything you want. Okay, YouTube, sports, movies, and things like that. Okay, and the second thing you need to do right away is set up your fingerprint. So go to the setting and now search fingerprint, and now you can set it up. Okay, your fingerprints. You can set up your fingerprints. Okay, on your phone. The main thing I want to let you know is you don't need to use your thumb to set up a fingerprint. Yes, you can set up your thumb as in one of the fingerprint, but if you want to use other fingers to do your fingerprint, you can do that too. Index finger, middle fingers, pinky fingers, it doesn't matter. It will still work as in a fingerprint. So if you actually want that happen, you can set it up right away. Just like me right now, I'm using my index fingers to actually set up my fingerprints. So if I want to use my left hand to unlock, I can use my index finger as well too. Okay, make sure you tap, let it go, tap, let it go until you reach 100%, then your fingerprints is ready to set up. All right, so I hope this will help you to set up your flip phone. Now when you finish everything, we will go to the next episode. We'll teach you how to slowly set up your phone properly. All right, so subscribe my channel, share this video, and I will have another video very soon. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Peace out.